Hey, that's a great article that you just found. It could be interesting to your colleagues too. Maybe you'll just send it to them right away by email. Why not save it to your computer as well, and maybe in your team's project database too? Then your colleagues could access it too. While you're at it, you could pass that newly published piece in that trade journal on to an internal business partner across the world right away. Oh yes, there was that online article you recently found too. That would be a nice addition to tomorrow's internal presentation. But wait a minute. Without even realizing it, every one of these simple actions could be a violation of copyright law. Does that surprise you? A bit of copying was never a problem before. Is that what you think? Sad to say, this misconception applies to many people. But the law is quite clear. Although digital use has become easy and widespread, in a business environment, these uses need authorization. That is, digital forwarding or storage of published content, whether obtained from a publisher's subscriptions or after individual purchase of a document, is not automatically permitted by copyright law. Of course, you're allowed to read the content, but a single copy is ordinarily meant for only one user. Separate permissions are required for sharing or further use of the content. If you do not seek these permissions, you are likely violating the rights of authors, creators, publishers, and other copyright holders. The law gives them rights, so they can earn compensation for their work. And without appropriate permissions or licensing, they won't earn a cent. You can look at it this way. Your company wants its intellectual property to be respected too, and so it registers patents and trademarks and brands and protects its trade secrets. But at the same time, fairness in taking responsibility means respecting the rights of third parties. That is surely in the interests of your company too, and is in line with your own compliance guidelines. So, what can you do now? If you want to act correctly and fairly in the future, there is a simple, practical, and efficient way to manage your use of the most widely used publications in the world: the RightsDirect Multinational Copyright License. This collective license for your business covers the rights to use millions of books and articles from thousands of authors and publishers worldwide. It provides a unified set of rights, so your employees can share and store content daily. For example, you can forward digital content internally to colleagues by email, store it in project databases, use it for your presentations, and share it with internal business partners. In addition, you can even submit digital copies to government and administrative bodies and public authorities. Doesn't that sound good? Yes, it does. The RightsDirect Multinational Copyright License is a single-source solution that makes it easy for you to legally reuse and share millions and millions of published books and articles. It also offers you simplified budget planning with a fixed annual charge. With this license, you can focus on your work, so you don't have to worry about license questions anymore. So that's it. Oh, do you still have any questions? No problem. Your contact at RightsDirect will be happy to answer all your questions about the multinational copyright license and how you can implement it in your business right away.